3 beta. It will come x is equal to 4 under root 3 प्लस -0/6। ये क्या बन जाएगा बेटा, 4 अंडर रूट 3 प्लस 0/6 एंड 4 अंडर रूट 3 माइनस 0/6। 2 जब ये बन जाएगा x इज इक्वल टू 4 अंडर रूट 3/6 एंड 4 अंडर रूट 3/6। 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6। This implies x is equal to 2 under root 3/3 and 2 under root 3/3. Since both roots are real and equal, both value have same. Next question we have third part, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What's the value of a? It's be 2, b minus 6 and c equal to 3. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b square minus 6 का होल स्क्वायर minus 4 multiply 2 multiply 3. 36 minus 4 2 जा 8 3 जा 24. It's with 12. Since d greater than 0, therefore roots are real and unequal बेटा। तो हमारे रूट्स क्या बनेंगे, रूट्स क्या बनेंगे बेटा हमारे, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट डी अपॉन 2a माइनस बी that is minus of minus 6 plus minus under root 12 upon 2a, 2 into 2, x is equal to 6 plus minus रूट 12 को लिख सकते हैं आप 2 रूट 3 अपॉन 4. दिस इम्प्लाइज x इज इक्वल टू बेटा 6 प्लस 2 रूट 3 अपॉन 4 एंड 6 माइनस 2 root 3 upon 4. Simple. Next question we have second question, first part. Find the value of k for which each of the following quadratic equation show that they have two equal roots. बेटा k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, इस प्रकार इस इक्वेशन के इक्वल रूट्स हैं. Firstly we have the question is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Now compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What's the value for a? It's with 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. He is saying find the value of k such that roots are equal. What's the condition for real and equal roots? Real and equal roots की condition क्या है बेटा? Equal to 0. So put the value of d is equal to 0. This implies k square b square. What is d? b square minus 4ac. इसको पुट करना है 0 के इक्वल. इट्स b square k square minus 4 multiply 2 multiply 3 is equal to 0. k square minus 24 is equal to 0. This implies k square is equal to 24. This implies k is equal to plus minus under root 24. Or what is the value of under root 24? K is equal to 2 root 6 plus minus. Next question we have second part. Kx into x minus 2. It's very important question बेटा, कई बार एग्जाम में आया है. Kx square kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Firstly multiply this equation, this and that. This implies equation बन जाएगी हमारी kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Again compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What's the value for a? It's be k. What's the value of b? It's be minus 2k. Minus 2k, not minus 2. It's be minus 2k. Because x coefficient is b. Here x coefficient is minus 2k. And what's the value of 4c? It's be 6. And now, what's the value of d? It's be b square minus 4ac. Put it equal to 0. Because he is saying find the value of k such that roots are real and equal. This implies minus 2k whole square minus 4 multiply k multiply 6 minus 2k whole square is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. 4k is common, k minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies either 4k is equal to 0 and k minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 0 by 4 and k is equal to 6. K is equal to 0 and 6. We put value for k either 0 or 6. Next question we have, is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and its area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. देखो बेटा, he is saying, is it possible to design a rectangular? Firstly, he want to ask, क्या यह possible है to a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? How to find out this? Just simply find the quadratic equation and then find the value of d. If d is greater than or equal to 0, then it's possible. If d is less than 0, it's not possible. We have third question. Rectangular field. So make a roughly rectangle. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice its breadth, means breadth is smaller. Let breadth is equal to x. Then what's the length? Length is twice, whose length is twice its breadth. Length is equal to 2x. Okay. And area we have 800 meters square. तो फर्स्टली व्हाट इज द एरिया? दिस इंप्लाइज वी नो रेक्टेंगुलर का एरिया क्या होता है बेटा? लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 800. दिस इंप्लाइज लेंथ इज x, breadth is x and length is 2x. It's be 2x into x is equal to 800. 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0, because firstly he want to know about the means, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove. Firstly we want to know about that this is possible or not. This condition is, compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 800. You know very well d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square 0 square minus 4 multiplied 2 multiplied minus 800. Let's be 0 plus 6400. This implies D is equal to 6400. This implies D is greater than 0. Since D is greater than 0, so this condition is possible. Since D is greater than 0, so condition is possible. Condition possible है तो find the roots. Means this implies 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. This implies beta 2x square is equal to 800. X square is equal to 2 coming to that side 400. So x is equal to plus minus 20. But minus 20 is rejected because dimension not in negative. ठीक है बेटा, तो x इज इक्वल टू 20 आया, ब्रेथ 20 है तो लेंथ क्या होगा 2 इंटू 20 दैट इज 40. ओके, आज के लिए इनफ बेटा. फर्स्टली अटेंडेंस प्लीज.